We've all been there, stressing over what to pack, how to stay entertained on long flights, or trying to navigate a new city without getting lost. But fear not, because we've compiled a list of game-changing travel hacks that will make your next adventure a breeze. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, make sure to watch this video until the end, so you don't miss out on any of these invaluable tips. From secret tips on finding cheap flights to clever ways to save space in your luggage, these hacks are guaranteed to come in handy. Before we start, welcome to our channel, a place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Sometimes communication can be difficult due to language barriers or cultural differences. That's why having a business card with your name, contact information, and destination written in the local language can be super handy. This growing movement offers a unique opportunity to experience a city or country in a whole new light. From stargazing to guided night hikes, there's no shortage of exciting activities to enjoy. Plus, you'll have the chance to witness the beauty of illuminated landmarks and soak up the vibrant nightlife. First, consider booking your flight during off-peak times such as midweek, red-eye, or with layovers. Flights during these times are often less expensive as they are less in demand. Additionally, early morning flights are less likely to be canceled due to weather delays. Unexpected expenses can arise when you're on vacation, like an impromptu excursion or an emergency flight home. A pre-trip checklist helps you stay organized and ensures that you won't forget any essential items or tasks. One key step is to confirm all your bookings, including flights, accommodations. Keeping your bag smelling fresh can be challenging, especially when packing toiletries and dirty clothes. And the best part is that many cities offer free or pay-what-you-can-walking tours. These tours are typically led by knowledgeable local guides who can provide insights into the city's hidden gems and local culture. They are a great way to meet other travelers and make new friends while discovering the city's top attractions. Plus, they are a budget-friendly option for those looking to explore a new city without breaking the bank. So if you're planning a trip, consider joining a free or pay-what-you-can walking tour to get the most out of your travel experience. However, there are some simple solutions to keep your bags smelling great throughout your travels. One trick is to bring travel-sized toiletries such as shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in reusable containers to avoid the need for plastic bottles. Another helpful tip is to use a small amount of lavender sachets or dryer sheets to keep your clothes smelling fresh. And when it comes to dirty clothes, packing cubes can help keep them separate from your clean clothes. With a little planning and some simple solutions, you can keep your bag smelling great and your clothes fresh throughout your travels and tours, and check the passport expiration date to ensure it remains valid for the duration of your trip. Notify your bank and phone provider of your travel dates to avoid any issues with your credit card or phone service while abroad. Arrange for someone to take care of your pets or plants while you away and make copies of important documents, such as your passport and driver's license. By following a pre-trip checklist, you can minimize stress and ensure a successful journey. That's why it's important to add a buffer to your travel budget. Download essential travel apps such as Google Translate, Maps.me, and TripAdvisor to help with navigation, translation, and finding local recommendations. Set up price alerts for flights and accommodations to track the best deals. Charge all your electronic devices before your trip and invest in a portable charger for on-the-go power. Use online tools such as Google Flights and Rome to Rio to research and compare travel options. By leveraging technology, you can streamline your travel planning and make the most of your trip. By setting aside 10 to 20% of your overall budget for unexpected costs, you'll be prepared for anything that comes your way. It may seem like a hassle, but trust us, it's worth it. Having a buffer can save you from financial stress and allow you to fully enjoy your trip without worrying about money. To find the best deals, you can search for flights in incognito mode or use a VPN, as repeated searches can trigger fare increases. Another helpful tip is to set up price alerts for the flight you want to book. This way you'll be notified when the fare drops so you can snag a great deal. Consider traveling during the shoulder season, which is just before or after the peak season. You'll likely find better prices and fewer crowds during this time. Finally, don't always rely on flight search engines, as they may not show you the cheapest option. Instead, check the airline's website directly, as they often offer lower prices than travel websites. Noctourism isn't just about having fun, though. Not only can they be expensive, but they also have a significant carbon footprint. With a few simple hacks, you can streamline the process and make the most of your luggage space. One trick is to use brightly colored luggage, which can help you identify your bag quickly and prevent mix-ups at baggage claim. Another helpful tip is to bring extra Ziploc bags to keep dirty clothes separate from your clean clothes. And don't forget to pack a spare pen for customs forms. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that you are fully prepared for your trip without having to lug around a bunch of unnecessary items. But don't worry, there are plenty of alternative transportation options that are both more affordable and eco-friendly. Consider taking a train or bus, which can be much cheaper than flying and often have more legroom and comfortable seating. You can also opt for a bike, which is not only a great way to explore a city, but also offers a full-body workout. And let's not forget about carpooling, which allows you to split the cost of gas and parking with your friends. So before you book your next flight, consider the pros and cons of each transportation option and choose the one that makes the most sense for you. It also offers a chance to support local businesses and the economy, as well as promote sustainable tourism by avoiding popular daytime attractions and giving them a much-needed break. So why not plan your next trip around a nocturnal adventure? Not only will it help you communicate effectively, but it also shows professionalism and adds a personal touch to your interactions. Planning a trip can be overwhelming, but thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, there are now tools that can make the process easier and more efficient. There are plenty of ways to maximize your travel rewards and get more bang for your buck. One way is to use credit cards that offer points or bonuses for travel-related purchases. Many cards also offer sign-up bonuses when you spend a certain amount of money in the first few months of using the card. Another way to maximize your travel rewards is to join airline loyalty programs. By signing up, you'll earn miles toward free flights or upgrades and gain access to exclusive deals and discounts on travel-related products and services. AI-powered platforms analyze vast amounts of data to provide personalized recommendations for flights, accommodations, and activities based on your preferences and budget. These tools can also help you optimize your itinerary, suggesting the best order to visit attractions based on their proximity and opening hours. And if your plans change due to bad weather or flight delays, AI-powered platforms can quickly adapt your itinerary, helping you make the most of your trip, even if things don't go as planned. Plus, it's a great souvenir to remember your trip. Imagine being stranded in a foreign country without a map or a guide. It would be pretty stressful, right? Well, thanks to Google Maps, you don't have to. But did you know there's a hack to make it even better? You can download the area you want to explore while you still have access to Wi-Fi, and then use it even when you're not connected to the internet. Just open the app, search for the area you want to download, and click on Download Map. Now you'll be able to access the map offline, view the area, zoom in and out, rotate the map, and even see ratings and reviews of places. Isn't that amazing? Hack number 1. Download Google Maps and type OK Map to use it offline. Hack number 2. Pick up a business card at check-in. When you travel, you meet a lot of people, locals and fellow travelers. Hack number 3. Search for local rideshare apps. Rideshare apps are a lifesaver when traveling, especially in unfamiliar cities. But did you know there's a hack to make them even more convenient and affordable? Instead of relying on global rideshare apps, try searching for local ones in the country you're visiting. For example, in Southeast Asia, Grab is the go-to ride-hailing app. In China, Didi Chuxing is the dominant player, and in India, Ola is the most popular choice. These local apps often offer better deals and discounts, especially for first-time users. Some even offer unique services like motorbike taxis or bicycle rickshaws. Not only will you save money, but you'll also experience a more authentic local service. Hack number 4. Embrace noctourism. Noctourism, a portmanteau of night and tourism, refers to the trend of exploring destinations at night. Number 5. Use AI-powered travel planning tools. Hack number 6. Maximize travel rewards. Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. Hack number 7. Book flights wisely. If you want to save money on flights, there are some simple hacks you can follow. Hack number 8. Check alternative transportation options. While planes might be the quickest way to get from one place to another, they aren't always the best option. Hack number 9. Pack smart. Packing for a trip can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Hack number 10. Add a 10 to 20% buffer to your travel budget. Hack number 11, follow a pre-trip checklist. Pre-trip planning is crucial to ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Hack number 12, leverage technology. Technology can be a traveler's best friend, making your journey more enjoyable and hassle-free. Hack number 13, bring travel-sized toiletries and fresheners. Join free or pay what you can walk-in tours. Walking tours are a fantastic way to explore a new city and learn about its history and culture.